Hi guys, in front of this iPhone, and let me show you how to personalize control center here. So first, let's take a quick look at the current control center. Here we've got all apps that are included here, and to customize them a bit, just open the settings, then find and select control center, and here you can select included controls and obviously add more. So for example, let me remove screen recording, I don't need it here, timer, music, alarm, and also power mode, and then let me add a few more, for example wallet, voice memos, text size, stopwatch, magnifier. Okay, it can be this way. Then let's go back, and now if you open control center, you will find here definitely different, like actually definitely, but those that you picked, so picked apps here, and then you've got the quick access. So that would be all. This is how you can customize your control center. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up.